this lesson, we'll explore workspaces in ContextQA, how to create them, and how to manage user roles and permissions effectively. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Workspace settings. As you can see here, this is where all your workspaces are managed. From this panel, you can create a new workspace for your project. When creating a workspace, you'll be asked to provide a workspace name. For example, let's call this one CQA Test Application. You can also assign a user to this workspace. Once the details are filled in, simply click on Create Workspace, and just like that, your new workspace is ready to use. Now, let's take a look at users and roles. Under the user settings, you'll see all the active users in this workspace. For example, here's one user named Pradam. You can view their role, see whether they are verified, and even grant them admin access if required. To invite a new user, simply enter their name, email, phone number, and password. Confirm the password, then choose their role, either admin or user. Once that's done, click Save and the new user will be added to your workspace. ContextQA also allows you to create custom roles with tailored permissions. Let's walk through an example. Click on Create Role, then give your role a name and description. From here, you can assign detailed permissions such as create, view, update, or delete users, manage workspace settings, handle test cases and execution, configure plugins and integrations. This flexibility ensures your team members have exactly the level of access they need, nothing more, nothing less. And that's how you manage workspaces, users, and roles in ContextQA. See you in the next lesson.